and welcome back to our channel Akshita and you. If you like my video, follow to subscribe and like this video, and also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I am known as MUA Akshita. You can see there down below. In this video, I'll be sharing few of my experiences as a makeup artist since 6 years, and also which makeup brushes to buy, what are their prices, which are available in market and everything. So let's go. So already there are so many makeup brush and brands available in market, like eye brushes, face brushes, contour brushes, blush brush. Oh, everyone is so confused. So don't worry, we'll break it down in this video and I will show you each and every brush that I have and which one you can purchase for each specific technique. First of all, I want to clear that makeup brush, when it says an eye makeup brush or a blush brush, doesn't mean that you have to specifically use for that purpose. You can definitely use an eye brush for your nose contour, or you can use a bronzer brush for your blush. Always remember, makeup is an art, and art is something unique that you have to develop. So brush can be any brush, but you can use it and multi-purpose it anytime. Alright. So when I started as makeup artist, I was very confused which brushes to buy, but I was on budget limit and I went ahead and searched and everything and bought the most reasonable and budget and pocket friendly brushes from Amazon. These are the ones. Luckily they turned out to be okay, and they were very soft, and during my training period they worked really well. But then when I started getting clients, I thought, okay, I should upgrade, and I did not buy the entire kit because I was using this and I didn't feel the need of buying the entire eyeshadow and base makeup and everything, all the eye brushes all together. I purchase single brush, one piece at a time, once in a month or sometimes once in 3 months as needed, and I invested in really good brand and quality brushes. So without wasting much time, let's go and see the brushes that I have. The two face brushes that I have are, this is the Pro Art one and this is the PAC face brush for foundation blending. This is Pro Art 8003 and this is for 725 rupees. This is PAC 006 for 595 rupees. I'm a minimal makeup artist, and I think even you should be one if you are planning to buy brushes. Don't buy everything at one go. So the next brush that I have is Pro Art foundation brush. This is a very widely used brush by many makeup artists. This is AF03 and this is for 725 rupees. It's a bit on higher end. Next, these are the two powder brushes. One is from Pro Art and this one is from PAC. Pro Art is PF06. It's for 900 rupees, and PAC is 238 number for 565 rupees. Next, this is the blush brush, the only one brush that I have for the blush. This is PF12 and this is for 565 rupees. For highlighter, I'm not using a specific brand as such. I liked this unicorn themed makeup brush set on Amazon, and for highlighter I'm using this fan brush. It looks pretty fancy also, and especially very much used when photographers are taking behind the scenes photos. So this looks very fancy, right? The next brush, I use this one specifically for applying moisturizer on clients, and this is PAC 065. I do not remember the price, but it must be somewhere around 500 to 600 range. So next two brushes I have. This one is for contour and this is for bronzer. This is from PAC 06 063, and this one I could not find the price online. I think it is discontinued. And this is Pro Art number PF07, and this one is for 675. So I have a book here and I have written all the pricing before this video, so hopefully it's helpful. Now let's move to eye brushes. So these are the only eye brushes that I carry for my makeup orders, and as you can see I use only limited ones and the best ones. These two are concealer blending brushes from PAC. The fat one is from the number is 010, and this one is for 688, and this is PAC 014. This is a bit fanned out brush, whereas this is a dense brush. This one PAC 014 is for 550 rupees. For eyeshadow blending I have these 4, 5, 6, 8 brushes, and these two are from Pro Art, these 4 from PAC, and these two are Kryolan. So you remember the golden brushes that I was using? So in that it did not have a proper blending brush, so I purchased these two blending brushes from Kryolan, and these were the only two that I was using that time. I don't remember the price because I couldn't find it online. The number is 3511, and these two worked pretty well for me in my initial training and learning days, and also when I had 1-2 clients to be worked on. So they are still good and I still use them. The pigment, it picks up really well, and blending is also very good, and they are small enough to go in the eye socket. Then next, these two Pro Art ones are one is tapered, and this one is also tapered, slightly tapered. The black one is for number is PE23, and the price is 350 rupees. So the Pro Art ones are pretty reasonable and lower price than PAC. That is what I have known. This one is this has a little white head. It is the number is PF08, and this one is for 325. So both almost in 300 rupees range. Now let's see the PAC ones. The PAC one, this is a small pencil brush kind of for blending. The number is PAC 263, and I could not find the price for this online. I don't know if it is discontinued. Next one, this is a very small brush which easily goes into the socket, and for darkening the crease line. This one, the number is 226, and this one is for 595. This one, these two are almost similar. This is a bit more fluffy, and this is a little less fluffy. Okay, so this price number is 393, and this is for 585 rupees. The number is 032, and the price is same, 585. So PAC eye brushes are mostly from 495, 595, 695 range, and Pro Art are a bit lower, around 300 rupees range. Okay, so those were the blending brushes, and these are eyeshadow or shimmer brushes. So these are flat brushes, okay, and all three are from PAC. So this one with a bit golden bristles is number 086, and this is for again 585. This is a little, this one is dense, and this is a little open, fluffy but flat brush. This is this is the number is 373, and this one is priced for again 585. And this one is a very small pencil brush. If you can see, this is used for blending below the eye, the kajal. Also sometimes I use to add glitter or shimmer or highlighter here. You can also use it for adding the highlighter here. And the number is PAC 386, and this is for this is not available online. I could not find the price, but this one also must be in same range, 400, between 400 to 600. So next are the eyeliner brushes. I have two from PAC. This is the most famous eyeliner brush from PAC for gel liner. As you can see, it's very pointed. This one, the number is PAC 123, and this is priced at 475 rupees. This is angle brush from PAC. The number is 372, and the price for this brush is 345. Next eyeliner brush I have, this one silver one is from Kryolan. This one also I purchased long back. I don't remember the price, but this is also really good, and the number is 3808. This one with golden top angle brush is from Pro Art, and the number is AB34, and this I could not find. Yes, the price is 375. So these next two brushes are from Pro Art, and the number is 25. I don't remember the price because I could not find them online anywhere, but these are my most favorite brush. I use them for eyebrow. I use them for blending the kajal, also blending the kajal on top of the lids. So these are my darlings and my favorite brushes. You cannot find them anywhere, so that is why I purchased two. Okay, last but not the least, lipstick brush and concealer brush. So this lipstick brush is Pro Art, and the number is PL37, and I do not know the price because I didn't find it online, but this is this must be somewhere around 300 rupees range only. And this is very nice lipstick brush, and this is the only one I have. So be minimal, don't hoard too much makeup brushes, they get lost. So and next is this is Vega brush I use for cut crease concealer brush. And see, you do not have to be brand specific. If you are pretty confident in your makeup and you know the techniques, so you can make it work for you anyhow. So I use this Vega brush. I think this is for 40 rupees, but it works really well for me for cut crease, and only one. So yeah. So this is my brush barrel from PAC, and it closes like this, like a barrel. It's really handy. So whenever I'm on order, I open it and I segregate my eye brushes in half of the barrel, and face and brush in the other barrel. So it's easy, to pick up. I hope my video was very informative. If you have any questions, do write in my comments box, and I make sure to answer each and every question of yours. So the channel's name is Akshita and You. Please suggest what next video I should make on, what would you like to see, if you would like to see some makeup videos, anything. So do let me know in comments. Don't forget to follow me on YouTube and Instagram and on Facebook. On Facebook and Instagram I'm known as MUA Akshita, and there you will find my work as a professional makeup artist in this industry. You can go and check IGTVs. I have uploaded full makeup videos over there, and with product details, so you can go and check them, like them and comment them. That's all for today. This video was only about the makeup brushes that I have in my vanity. Probably I can do an in-depth video of how to use each brush. Do let me know in comments. I hope you stay safe and you're at home and you're healthy, and you all your family members as well. Till then, bye. See you next time.